Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel One Two Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix TikTok hashtag option not working problem. So let's get started. At first, let's get into TikTok app. So here it is. Now simply click on profile icon in the bottom right and click on this three-line icon on the top right. Click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on report a problem. Now we need to scroll all the way down and click on chat with us. And here we need to write our problem that our hashtag option is not working. And once you are done, simply click on send option over here. And once the message is seen, TikTok help desk will address your problem and it will finally be fixed. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.